Look at Simon's face. I'm sure he is experiencing exactly the same thing I'm experiencing, guys. He is hypnotized by her singing, just like everybody else in the audience. This is something out of this world, guys. Out of body experience, serious.
Halo Lur, selamat datang kembali di channel Rafiko. Terima kasih telah mengklik video ini. Admin doakan semoga semua selalu dalam keadaan sehat. Amin. Kali ini, kita akan menyaksikan reaksi dari dua orang yang merupakan seorang guru vokal wanita dan seorang produser musik Amerika saat menyaksikan penampilan Putri Ariani di acara America's Got Talent. Seperti apa reaksinya? Tanpa berlama-lama, mari kita mulai Lur.
I still haven't found what I'm looking for by U2. It's such a famous song. It's so monumental. I love the original, but I'm very excited to see what Putri Ariani does with it because everything she sings turns to gold. I've heard 2 of her songs. They've both been great. This will be number 3. I'm excited. Let's get into it.
I have climbed highest mountains.
Oh, wow.
I have run through the field.
Great phrasing.
Oh my God. The beginning of the song already is giving me chills, guys. The complete darkness on stage with that spotlight with some smoky effect in it. It's already giving me goosebumps.
That's what I'm talking about. That is how you cover a piece of music. You take something that is as famous as the original song.
Only to be with you. Only to be with you.
Whoa.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Beautiful.
Wow, and her voice, wow. In the short part, she used already so many colors that I'm wondering what's going to be next. This is just the beginning of the song.
And you spin it and make it your own and do a completely different arrangement, man.
I believe in the kingdom come, then all the colors will bleed into one, bleed into one.
Mainly voice, a little bit, I mean, it's primarily a cappella with a little bit of a piano accompaniment there. It was great.
Wow, guys, I'm speechless, guys. So emotional, it's so deep. She's feeling each and every note and she's making me feel that very, very deep, guys. I'm literally having some physical reactions to her voice. And that's very rare. My heart started beating faster. I'm feeling her voice, not on the level of ears, but it's like on a heart level, right here. Right here.
But yes, I'm still running. You broke the bonds and you lose the chains. Carry the cross.
Oh, yeah.
And my shame. Oh, my shame.
So beautiful. I love those contrasts, the way she added a little bit of dynamics in the beginning of the verse, but then she moves back. She moves back into that breathy tone. It's like she's singing in waves. She moves a little forward, then goes back, forward and back. The little riffs in her voice and vibrato also, it was very beautiful.
In the middle section, there was some really, really tasty voice leading going on with the harmonic function of the chords. It just made it a completely different listening experience than the original.
You broke the bonds and you lose the chains. Carry the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame.
That to me, I'd be curious to know what you two thinks about that. AGT has got a gargantuan platform. I'm sure they've heard it. I mean,
Voice is so unexpected. That's the first word I have. It's like unexpected, unpredictable. What color she's gonna use next? Oh my God, her voice. I literally feel like she is talking to my soul right now. She's like inside of me, talking to my soul.
so different than the original. I love it.
Found what I'm looking for.
Ooh, nice voice leading right there.
This is crazy. And the sound of her voice here is so deep. She sounds like a mezzo, and she's singing in a very round place that makes her voice sound even deeper with all that angelic lightness in her voice, and the contrast now is it's incredible.
So many people have covered this song, but I feel like this is a really unique version of that. So,
but I still haven't found
I love
what I'm looking for.
Nice. Wow, guys. Her dress is so beautiful. The whole performance is just magical.
gorgeous piano part.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Look at Simon's face. I'm sure he is experiencing exactly the same thing I'm experiencing, guys. He is hypnotized by her singing, just like everybody else in the audience. This is something out of this world, guys. Out of body experience, seriously.
I like it quite a bit. Let me know what you think. That was that's the right way to do it. We're 3 for 3 now. Everything she's sung that I've heard so far has been a great experience.
Now see here, she's very open. And staying open. I love that ending.
Saat Putri Ariani tampil di acara America's Got Talent, dua reaktor yang berpengalaman dalam industri musik, seorang guru vokal dan seorang produser musik Amerika, sangat antusias. Mereka tahu bahwa acara ini adalah panggung yang memungkinkan bakat luar biasa untuk bersinar, dan mereka berharap dapat menyaksikan penampilan yang istimewa dari Putri Ariani. Ketika Putri Ariani mulai menyanyikan lagu, reaktor pertama, sang guru vokal, terpesona oleh kontrol vokalnya yang luar biasa. Suaranya mengisi ruangan dengan kekuatan dan keindahan yang luar biasa. Dia mengenali bahwa Putri Ariani memiliki bakat vokal yang sangat istimewa. Reaktor kedua, sang produser musik, tidak hanya mendengarkan suara Putri Ariani, tetapi juga memperhatikan detail aransemen musik. Dia merasa terkesan oleh keahlian Putri Ariani dalam menghadirkan lagu dengan pengaturan musik yang mendalam dan emosional. Penampilan Putri Ariani di atas panggung America's Got Talent benar-benar memukau para reaktor. Mereka merasa bahwa dia memiliki potensi besar untuk mencapai kesuksesan besar dalam industri musik dan akan menjadi bintang yang bersinar di masa depan. Setelah penampilan selesai, kedua reaktor ini sepakat dengan tentang penampilan Putri Ariani. Mereka yakin bahwa bakatnya yang luar biasa akan menginspirasi banyak orang dan membawa musiknya ke tingkat yang lebih tinggi. Itulah lur untuk reaksi kali ini. Sampai jumpa lagi di video lainnya bersama channel Rafiko. Admin ucapkan terima kasih telah menonton.